Here we have 5 samples of machines, and you'll find there are 2 different types of designs of machines commonly available in New Zealand. You determine which machine you have by looking at the motor. On the side here we have 2 machines. The motor base here is very small. There's that one there, and there's this one here. Now these machines run at twice the speed as these machines here, these 3 here. The difference being is that a high-speed machine like this with a small motor has no hole for a jam key, but you will find the reset button is on the side in the plastic housing. That's this one, and this is a different brand. Again, small motor, no hole for the jam key, reset button in the plastic housing on the side. Here we have our normal speed machine. Now, these in general will have a hole in the middle underneath, and you can put your jam key or an Allen key, similar to this, in that hole, and that allows you to manually grind the food scraps up. Now these machines will have their reset button located in a recess on the bottom of the machine. Under here, there's that one, and there's that one there. Now, as in most cases, you have an exception to the rule. And here is the exception to the rule. This machine has a hole for a jam key underneath, and it has a reset button located on the side right next to where the power lead goes in. There it is there. So first off, when fault finding, look at these machines, determine what machine you have. Is it a high-speed machine with a small motor, or is it a standard machine with the larger diameter body? From there, you can determine what your course of action is to remedy your fault.